Hello students, hope you all are safe and healthy at home. In this video, we are going to start chapter 4, that is carbon and its compound. So now let us study about carbon and its compound. So this is the very first topic of this chapter, that is occurrence of carbon. I mean from where carbon comes out. Carbon is found in the atmosphere, inside the earth crust, and in all living organisms. Carbon is present in fuels like wood, coal, charcoal, coke, petroleum, natural gas, biogas, mass gas, etc. Carbon is also present in compounds like carbonates, hydrogen, carbonates, etc. Carbon is found in the free state as in the form of diamond, graphite, fullerene, etc. In this uh, video, you have seen that some pictures, that is wood. In wood, carbon also found. That is coal. In coal, carbon is also found. This is diamond. So, in all these substances, carbon are found. Carbon is present in atmosphere also, but in very small amount. Now, what type of bonding in carbon? Carbon contain covalent bond, means carbon form covalent bond. The atomic number of carbon is 6 and its electronic configuration, or you can say that arrangement, is 2, 4. That means in K shell it contains 2 electrons and in L shell it contains 4 electrons. So the valence electron is 4. It has 4 valence electrons. So it can attain stability by gaining 4 electrons or by losing 4 electrons or sharing 4 electrons with other atoms. But it does not gain 4 electrons. Why? Because it is difficult for the 6 proton to hold 10 electrons, and it does not lose 4 electrons because it needs a large amount of energy to lose 4 electrons. So, how carbon make bond? So, it shares 4 electrons with other atoms to attain stability, or you can say that noble gas configuration, resulting in the formation of covalent bond. Since carbon atom need 4 electrons to attain stability, so its valency is 4 and it is tetravalent. In this, you can say that this cross sign represents the electrons of the carbon. So you can say that there is 4 electrons in its valence shell. So carbon is tetravalent and forms covalent bond by sharing of its 4 electrons. Now let us see how covalent bond formed. Covalent bond is a chemical bond formed by the sharing of electron between two atoms. The sharing of one pair of electrons results in the formation of single covalent bond, and sharing of two pairs of electrons results in the formation of double covalent bond, and sharing of three pairs of electrons results in the formation of triple covalent bond. Now, it can be explained with the help of an example. So let us take a very simple molecule of hydrogen. In this, formation of single bond happens. Now let us see how this will happen. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. We all know that, and its electronic configuration is 1, and it has only one valence electron in its valence shell. It needs one electron to attain stability. So, two hydrogen atoms share one pair of electrons, resulting in the formation of single covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. This you can see that in first carbon you have seen that one electron, and in second carbon you have also seen one electron. Now they both hydrogen atom combine together and form and share a single pair of electron and form H2 molecule. So this bond is formed by the sharing of electron. So this hydrogen forms covalent bond, and you can say that in this way hydrogen molecule will form. Now formation of double bond in oxygen molecule. The atomic number of oxygen is 8 and its electronic configuration is 2, 6. In K shell it contains 2 electrons and in S shell it has 6 electrons. It has 6 valence electrons, so it needs 2 electrons to attain stability. So two oxygen of atom share 2 pair of electrons, resulting in the formation of double covalent bond in oxygen molecule. In this you can see that there is 2 shared pair of electrons, so it makes double bond and will make O2 molecule. Now come to the third example, that is formation of triple covalent bond in nitrogen molecule. The atomic number of nitrogen is 6, that means its electronic configuration is 2, 5. It needs 3 electrons to attain stability. So two nitrogen atoms share 3 pairs of electrons, resulting in the formation of triple covalent bond in nitrogen molecule. So you can see that in this 3 shared pair of electron and it makes triple bond, and that is how nitrogen molecule will form. So there are some various examples of covalent bonds. Fluorine, two atoms of fluorine combined will form fluorine molecule. Two atoms of oxygen combine with carbon to make carbon dioxide molecule. In this covalent bond will form four atoms of fluorine combined with one atom of